Post-fire hillslope stabilization treatments. Post-fire hillslope stabilization treatments are treatments aimed at stabilizing fire-affected slopes by counteracting the negative impact of fire on vegetation and soil properties. The final objective of these treatments is reducing the risk of catastrophic runoff and erosion events and protecting valued resources downhill. Post-fire hillslope stabilization treatments are also called post-fire mitigation treatments and emergency stabilization treatments. Vegetation fires usually partially or totally consume the canopy, above-ground organic residue litter, fine roots, and soil organic compounds, reducing soil protection, enhancing soil water repellency, and compromising soil stability. The combined effect of fire and the occurrence of heavy rainfall in the post-fire season can lead to catastrophic hydrologic and erosion events with severe impacts on population and valued resources downhill such as housing, infrastructures, water supply systems, and critical habitats. For example, high-intensity rainfall after the Thomas Fire in California, USA led to catastrophic floods and debris flows in 2018 with 20 people dead, 300 houses destroyed, and critical infrastructures severely affected. Stabilization treatments are part of the Burned Area Emergency Response BEAR program implemented by the U.S. Forest Service and Department of Interior USA and similar programs such as the Rapid Response Assessment. Classification of post-fire hillslope stabilization treatments. The design of the hillslope stabilization treatments are aimed at counteracting the effect of fire on the soil protection provided by the vegetation and surface cover. Treatments such as seeding and mulching are aimed at reducing runoff and erosion by providing protection to the soil surface. They mimic above-ground organic layers that protect the soil against the raindrop impact and absorb rainwater, decreasing runoff volume and velocity. Counteracting the effect of fire on specific soil properties involved in the runoff and erosion processes, treatments that seek for offsetting fire effects on soils, such as enhanced soil water repellency surfactants or decreased soil aggregation flocculants. These products can be applied alone or combined with other stabilization treatments to increase their effectiveness. Reducing slope length treatments such as the erosion barriers are intended to reduce the amount of sediments that reach values at risk downhill by reducing the slope length and, thus, runoff velocity and erosion potential. They also create mini dams that hold the runoff, promote infiltration, and sediments settling. Types, selection, and implementation of post-fire treatments